Hi, so we're going to be answering some questions about the story we just read about at the amusement park. So number one, where is Zach? Remember, Zach was the character in our story. Was Zach at the library, school, or amusement park? Where was Zach? So we should think about the answer, and then we'll answer it in a complete sentence. So we can say Zach is in the amusement park.
Park.
Number two, how does the merry-go-round move? How does the merry-go-round move? Slow, down, or straight? The merry-go-round. So remember, the merry-go-round is the one where there's horses and it goes in a circle. So when we answer the question, we would say, the merry-go-round moves
Slow.
That's why we usually see little kids on it, because it doesn't go too fast. It goes around slowly, and kids like it. They feel comfortable. Next one. Number three. How does the roller coaster move? Circle, slow, or fast? Number three. How does the roller coaster move? So let's think about your answer, and then we'll answer it in a complete sentence. So we can say, the roller coaster moves
Fast.
Not everyone likes roller coasters because they might feel too fast. I like roller coasters though. Number four. How does the water on the water slide move? How does the water on the water slide move? Does it move up? Does it move down? Or does it move zigzag? This one I feel like is kind of a trick question, but let's think about it. A water slide is usually a little curvy, but a slide, think about what direction a slide usually goes. Is it up, down, or zigzag? So we can answer by saying, the water on the water slide moves down.
Down.
Yeah, the water goes down, usually into a pool. And number five, our last question. What does the balloon dart game look like? Fun, pretty, scary. So which does the balloon dart is when you throw an arrow into a balloon and it pops, and then you win a prize. So does that look fun to you, pretty, or scary? So we answered in a complete sentence, we would say, the balloon dart game looks fun.
Fun.
Some people might also say scary if they don't like the sound of a balloon popping. So those are our questions. If you haven't done so already, you should definitely check out the other Google slide that is on your Google Classroom. It's called Virtual Disney World Trip. And that one we can go through the slides and watch videos of different rides at Disney World. That'll be a good way to spend part of your Friday. Okay, bye-bye.